So hello traders and welcome to our gold daily rush. And yeah, today we are just looking at maybe some quick analysis for gold. And yeah, from today's live market analysis, we had a setup here. So it's we've already hit our TP1, that is 50 pips. So we had these BOS here. So I was looking at these 5 minutes order block, which I really explained in our today's live analysis. I think everyone who was there and took the trade, now they should be very deep in profits. And uh, so this was the order block. So the price retraced slightly deeper into the zone. But again, we saw the price coming down as it is coming down now. We saw the price take out. There is the TP1 being hit. So we are looking at it coming all the way down here to our 100 pips take profit. So let me take my partials and put stop loss at break even as it is the norm. All right. So I take partials and put stop loss at break even, and then we proceed. Okay, so that's what we have. Okay, so I'm anticipating the price to come down all the way to this particular point. So this is the level that I'm talking about. So this is where we have we have a structure here. Okay, and also we have a structure here. So I would really want to see these the prices of gold come all the way to this particular point. So let me delete this level and this level, because we had already traded this level yesterday. This was our zone yesterday, the one we got our entry from here. It was the 30 minutes OB. That's how we had eyeballed yesterday. Okay, so we already took that from the 5 minutes time frame. All right. Okay. So let me see. I don't know what's up with my internet. Yeah, so that was our entry. So today, I'm anticipating at least the price to drop. You can see these are set up. Risk to reward ratio 1:2. So we're already in that trade. TP1 has already been taken. So I'm anticipating the price to come all the way down to this particular point. And thereafter, maybe you might see price drop to these levels before we can consider maybe probably having some buying opportunities. Okay. Remember, this is the low of today. So we want to see the price maybe come to this particular point, and then now we can be able to take some trades from that particular level. All right. So that's what we will be monitoring. Okay, that's what we will be monitoring. Okay. So the price to come all the way down to this particular level. However, for my setups, I usually do 100 pips a setup. Okay. And I only open my trades during the New York kill zones. All right. So once we in the New York kill zones, that's when I usually look for entries. So for now, we are looking at the price coming all the way down to that particular level to complete our setup. So I've already taken partials, putting my stop loss at break even. It's very important, right? It's very important. Let me have my stop loss at break even there. Yes. All right, so let's see. We are still anticipating the price to come all the way to our TP2. All right. So this level, that's when we'll be thinking of buying opportunities. As you can see from the 15 minutes time frame, it's quite a key level here. If you take the Fibonacci from the highest to the lowest, all right, from the highest to the lowest. So it gives us some clues of some entries around this particular point. But for me, I'll guided by my strategy, I'll want the price to come all the way down to this particular point. Remember, I trade the ICT order blocks, right? So I would really want to see the price come all the way down to this particular point. So this is the 5 minutes OB. It's about 49 pips, 48 pips, which is quite okay. All right. So that's what I want to see the price do. All right, so the reason why I was looking for TP1 around this particular point, you can also see this is a key level of interest, all right, because the price pushed slightly above that, created a BOS, and therefore here we have an OB, therefore we might see price maybe retrace slightly before we get the push on the downside all the way to our TP1, TP2, or the final TP of 100 pips. However, if you look at it from the 1 hour time frame, the trend hasn't changed. We are still looking at the price they're pushing on the downside, right? We are still anticipating the price pushing on the downside. Okay, so make sure if you took this trade, you have stop loss in place. I mean, you have taken partials and you have your stop loss at break even, and let's see what transpires. All right. So that's what I'll be looking in case of more maybe in case I have more insights. Remember this level will be looking for buys. In case I have more insights, I'll make sure to share. So make sure that you are in the Discord channel, right? So make sure you are in the Discord channel, and I'll be able to share the setup just like I'd shared the previous. All right. So with that, maybe we can look quickly at the fundamentals. So today we have the USD data that is likely to impact the dollar, the gold, and that will be at 5 p.m. They are projecting a strong gold because they are forecasting 51.5. So if we have an actual that is more than the forecast, that will be at least a positive for the dollar, and we might be able to see the price of gold now continue pushing on the downside. Okay, so apart from that, we don't have any other much high impact news for the dollar. And not unless now we have the impromptu meetings that might maybe probably pop out. Maybe probably some speeches from Trump, or maybe the tariff things that are going that maybe probably might maybe probably come out, so that maybe they might affect the gold. All right. So, but apart from that, let's keep monitoring what transpires. You can see gold is really getting the momentum to come all the way to our TPs here, and that's what we'll be looking forward to. Remember, the goal is to grow our account by at least 10% per week, right? At least 10% per week. Okay, so that's the goal, and let's see what really transpires. So make sure you join me in this journey. If you want to join me, make sure you join me. Let's work together. You can join our Discord channel, whereby I share more of those setups. You can see here already. I was trying to. I had shared that yesterday's setups here as well. So it's quite a new one. So yeah, join. Let's warm each other, and let's see how it's gonna push. Okay, so thank you so much, and until tomorrow for our next gold rush daily. Keep safe, right? Keep safe, and trade with purpose. Stay cautious, and always remain focused. Right? Thank you, and see you tomorrow.